How to get friends in Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikrant. Today I am going to guide you how to get friends in Zangi. Getting friends in Zangi is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Zangi, launch the Zangi app on your mobile device and log into your account. Go to contacts, tap on the contact or friend icon usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the main menu. Add a contact, look for an option that says add contact or plus icon, tap on it. Enter contact information. You can add someone by entering their Zangi username and phone number. Ensure that you enter the correct details. Wait for confirmation. The person will need to accept your friend request before you can chat with them. Once they accept, they will appear in your contact list. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can get friends in Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.